Example 1, who is faster? During their last workout, Izzy ran 2 1/4 miles in 15 minutes, and her friend Julia ran 3 3/4 miles in 25 minutes. Each girl thought she was the faster runner. Based on their last run, which girl is correct? Use any approach to find the solution. So to solve for this problem, you could make a table, you could make a graph, or you could find the unit rate, which is what the approach I'm going to take to solve this. So my unit rate for this problem would be miles per hour. If we're talking speed, we always think miles per hour, think how fast a car goes. So let's start with Izzy. All right, so Izzy runs 2 1/4 miles in 15 minutes. Now, this 15 minutes is not in my hours, so I need to take my minutes and change that into hours. So I'm going to rewrite this. I know there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Now, the next thing I need to do is make this an improper fraction. So to do that, we take the denominator times our whole number. 4 times 2 is 8, and then add the numerator. So we have 9/4 over, and I'm going to go ahead and simplify this before I move it over. I know that these are both divisible by 15. And when I do that, I get 1/4. Now, here's something big, super important we need to remember: to divide fractions. We do the process of keep, change, flip, and we're going to be using this a lot, so this is a memorize piece right here. All right, so I'm going to rewrite this. So I'm going to keep my 9/4. We're changing from multiplication or division to multiplication, and then we're going to use the reciprocal of the bottom, so 4/1. So now when I multiply, I get 36/4, which simplifies down to 9. So Izzy runs 9 miles per hour. All right, let's go down here and find Julia's. All right, she ran 3 3/4 of a mile in 25 minutes. So I want to rewrite my 25 minutes as an hour, so over 60. I'm going to take my mixed number and make it an improper fraction. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 3 is 15, so 15/4 over. And let's go ahead and simplify this. I know those are both divisible by 5. That gives me 5/12. All right, so again, we go back up to that to divide fractions, keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep the 15/4, change from division to multiplication, and use the reciprocal of the bottom, and then we can multiply. Now, since these are going to give me some bigger numbers, and I don't like bigger numbers, I'm going to do some simplifying before I multiply. You can do the simplifying at the end if you would rather prefer just to multiply through. I'm going to look at my diagonals. I have 15 and a 5. I know both of these are divisible by 5. That would give me 3, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. I'm going to look at these diagonals, and I know both of these are divisible by 4. Gives me a 3 and a 1. And now we can multiply. 3 times 3 is 9 over 1. So Julia also runs 9 miles per hour. So this one answer is that neither of them are faster. They both run the same speed. So they ran the same speed.